Hello and welcome to this Excel tips video. I am Sumit Bansal, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove line breaks in Excel. So here I have these address, and each of these address has three different parts, and each part is in a new line in the same cell. So these parts, the house number and the street name, the city and the state code, are separated by a line break. Now, if I want to remove these line breaks, I would first copy this data and paste it here. I'm doing this so that my original data set remains as is, and anything that I do is done on this copy data. Now, with this data selected, I would hold the control key and press the H key. This opens the find and replace dialog box. Now here, I need to specify what is it that I want to find and what is it that I want to replace it with. So in find what, I want to insert the line break character. To do that, hold the control key and press the J key. And when you do this, you would see that the cursor goes away and now there's a small blinking dot, which means that Excel has inserted the line break character here in the find what field. And I want to replace it with a comma and a space character so that when the city name comes back in the first line, it is separated by the street name with at least a comma and a space character. And same goes with the last line. So now if I come here and click on replace all, see what happens? It instantly makes these changes. And I have these line breaks that are gone. So if I drag and change the width of this cell, you can see that the entire address is in one single line separated by a comma and a space character. So this is how you can quickly remove line breaks in Excel using find and replace. That's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. Also, if you're liking these videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you're notified whenever I come up with a new Excel tips video. Thank you and have a nice day.